Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, 2019 certainly shaping up to be the year without a spring, as we've had more cool weather than warm weather, some islands of warmth in our sea of cold this spring. Today was wet. Take a look at some of these rainfall reports. This is so far from the National Weather Service. The winter right now is outside of St. Gertrude, 1 3/4 of rain, New Salem 1 1/4, even Bismarck almost 1 inch of rain, Ashley 1 inch. Just over 1 inch. And some people at home are saying, what if all that rain was snow? Well, in some places it actually was. Look at some of these snowfall numbers. 4.5 inches on May 18th in Rame, just outside of Fairfield, 4 inches. Also 4 inches in Beach. Dickinson and Grassy Butte checking in at 2 inches. And you can see the snow on the ground as we take a look at some of those traffic cameras like Painted Canyon, Grassy Butte, Manning, all that snow still on the ground, as well as in New England, Bowman, just anywhere to the south and the southwest of the Bismarck area is certainly getting in on the snow. Dickinson is no exception. You can see that snow coating at least the grassy surfaces. Paved surfaces are still too warm this time of the year for the snow to really stick. You're at 35 right now in Dickinson with that north-northeast wind at 20 miles an hour. Temperatures elsewhere across the KX region, it really depends on where you are and what precip you're seeing as to what your temperature is. Cooler to the southwest where they're stuck in the lower and mid-30s. But look at Minot and Bottineau and Rugby where they've been dealing with no precipitation today. They are in the 50s, so a 15 to 20 degree difference in temperature in some places, depending on the precipitation you're seeing. It is a windy day. Winds out of the northeast about 15 to 20 miles an hour with higher gusts to 25 or 30. Still have that winter weather advisory for far southwestern and western sections until 6 a.m. Mountain Time. If you're over across the Montana border, that goes until midnight Mountain Time for that snow, which you can see just a little bit here on the satellite and radar picture in and around the Dickinson area and down toward Bowman County. Everybody else pretty much seeing rain. I think what this is a mix of heavy rain and what's called bright banding, where there is snowing higher up in the atmosphere, but the radar is picking up on that snow, so you're getting that higher reflectivity. Putting precision cast into motion, you can see that snow finally getting out of here by midday Sunday. Sunday and Monday should actually shape up to be two pretty nice days. And then more rain rolls in for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and this could be extremely heavy rain that we'll be seeing. Certainly something I'll be keeping my eye on. Here's a look at that snowfall for the rest of tonight for the areas. I think general 1 to 3 inches. Again, elevation will be key on where you are as to how much snow you have. So your forecast tonight for the capital city will dip to 36 degrees. Can't rule out a little wet snow possible toward dawn with wind chill values in the lower 20s. And in the Magic City, 34 degrees is what we'll dip to tonight with a few isolated sprinkles. It will be windy at times. Here's a look at your extended forecast for the Dickinson area. You can see there's that morning rain and snow on Sunday, and then a pretty nice week with some rain developing. And then finally, Renee, for Williston, pretty much the same thing. A rainy second half of the week, but gradual warming temperatures.
Thanks, Robert. Well, coming up next in sports, highlights from the regional track, finishing up in Minot.